आंध्र प्रदेश के वजीर आईटी नारा लोकेश ने विशाखापट्टनम कन्वेंशन सेंटर में मुनक़िदा ICAI नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत की। इस मौके पर उन्होंने कहा कि हर सनअती इनकलाब के साथ रोजगार के मौके बढ़ते हैं और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आंध्र प्रदेश के लिए एक नया मौका है। नारा लोकेश ने ऐलान किया कि विशाखापट्टनम में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डेटा सेंटर कायम किया जा रहा है। उन्होंने वाज़ेह किया कि रियासत में एक ही राजधानी रहेगी, लेकिन तरक्की को डिसेंट्रलाइज करने की पॉलिसी पर अमल होगा। उनका कहना था कि प्रकाशम जिले को कॉम्प्रेस्ड बायोगैस कैपिटल बनाया जाएगा। अनंतपुर जिले ऑटोमोटिव कैपिटल बन रहा है। कर्नूल को रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी कैपिटल बनाया जा रहा है।
As Visakhapatnam, it is our jewel for Andhra Pradesh. It is the capital for IT, medical devices manufacturing, pharma, and even the deep water port ecosystem that we are building out here. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, if Vizag grows, only then will Andhra Pradesh grow. And we are committed to the growth of Visakhapatnam. You know, we are all very proud that Prasanna Kumar Garu hails from Visakhapatnam. It is very unfortunate that he is not visiting us a lot more. I'll request sir to spend a lot more time visiting us. Definitely I have a lot of asks from you. I'll come to it at the end of my speech. But it's really exciting to see a Telugu person lead the ecosystem going forward. And we look forward to your leadership and guidance here from the state of Andhra Pradesh. And there are always two sides of a coin to every industrial revolution. One side of the coin is the fear of losing jobs. The other side of the coin is every industrial revolution has created more jobs than it has replaced. Countries that have embraced industrial revolution have always benefited out of it. India is a great beneficiary of the IT revolution. That is where we were able to jump the entire manufacturing revolution and go straight to services. Today that opportunity is again in front of us in AI. And as a state and as a nation, we should embrace AI and take things forward. AI is here. AI is going to transform the sectors that we are all working in. As a political party, we have actually deployed AI on our entire database. We are running AI algorithms on our library, digital library, where we want to give access to our leaders, where including press notes with proper references, with proper data sets, they'll be able to generate and give it out to the media. And also when we are having any discussions in the assembly, we want to enable them to have a meaningful debate and discussion using AI as a tool.